Well, look at that fine old tractor.
Yeah!
Who wants a ride?
I do! Take us to see the monkeys!
Charlie, there are no monkeys on a farm.
Yeah, well, you're looking at one.
Come on, I'll take you on a tour of all the animals.
The tractor wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The tractor wheels go round and round, all around the farm.
Hey, those are pretty cool cats. I think they're pigs, not cats. It's just an expression, Lily. Oh, I thought it was a pig.
The piggy on the tractor goes oink, 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 oink. The piggy on the tractor goes oink, 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 all around the farm.
Bye-bye. You still look like a pig to me.
Look, it's a billy goat.
I thought he was a goat. What's a billy?
The goat on the tractor goes meh, 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 meh. The goat on the tractor goes meh, 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 all around the farm.
Look at all those chickies and a big mama hen, too. Oh, here, chickie, chickie.
Here, chickie, chickie.
The chickie on the tractor goes cluck, 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 cluck. The chickie on the tractor goes cluck, 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 all around the farm.
Well, this is turning out to be a great ride.
Even better now. Look, it's sheep.
Bah! The sheep on the tractor goes ba 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 ba. The sheep on the tractor goes ba 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 all around the farm. Ba ba ba.
Oh my, look at the kitties.
Yeah.
Meow. Pretty kitty.
The kitty on the tractor goes meow 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 meow. The kitty on the tractor goes meow 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 all around the farm.
There you go, little one. I like little ones.
Come on, gang, one more time. The tractor wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The tractor wheels go round and round, all around the farm, all around the farm. You snorted.
Five little babies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more babies jumping on the bed.
Uh-oh.
Four little babies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more babies jumping on the bed.
Three little babies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more babies jumping on the bed.
Aww.
Two little babies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more babies jumping on the bed.
One little baby jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more babies jumping on the bed.
little babies jumping on the bed. None fell off and bumped their heads. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
Put all those babies back in the bed.
"Yay! Woohoo!" Are you ready for the animal dance? Come on! The animal dance, the animal dance. Do a little boogie, a little woogie. Watch Mr. Lion clap his hands, doing the animal dance. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap your hands. Everybody clap along, doing the animal dance.
Yeah!
The animal dance, the animal dance. Do a little jiggle, a little wiggle. Watch Miss Elephant stomp her feet, doing the animal dance.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp along, doing the animal dance. The animal dance, the animal dance. Do a little shimmy, a little shake. Watch Mr. Zebra shake around, doing the animal dance. Shake, shake, shake it off. Shake, shake it off. Yeah! Everybody shake along, doing the animal dance.
The animal dance, the animal dance. Do a little jump, a little jive. Watch Miss Monkey come alive, doing the animal dance.
Jump, jump, jump around. Jump, jump around. Everybody jump around, doing the animal dance. The animal dance, the animal dance. Do a little hip, a little hop. Watch Mr. Hippo tap his feet, doing the animal dance. Tap, tap, tap your feet. Tap, tap your feet. Great job! Everybody tap along, doing the animal dance.
The animal dance, the animal dance. Do a little wiggle, a little jiggle. Watch Miss Giraffe do the twist, doing the animal dance.
Twist, 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 yeah! Twist, twist, twist. Everybody twist along, doing the animal dance.
So cool!
The animal dance, the animal dance. Do a little boogie, a little woogie. Watch all the animals having fun, doing the animal dance. Boom, 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 ba-doo. Boom, boom, ba-doo. Yeah! Everybody's having fun, doing the animal dance. So great!
So fun!
Yeah!
Let's read the story of the tortoise and the hare.
Yay! Oh, please, I want to be the hare.
Okay, Lily.
I want to be the tortoise. I love turtles.
Well, here goes.
I bet I could beat you in a race. Sure you can. A race you want, then a race you'll get. You're on. A tortoise and a hare made a bet one day. I could beat you in a race. Not a chance, no way. Oh yeah? Uh-huh. So they shook on it, and they made a pact. May the best one win. I'll see you at the track. She'll see you at the track. Keep your focus, don't hold back. You can do it just like that. Huff and puff and keep your pace. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady. The whistle blew and then ready, set, and go. The hare took off like wind, but the tortoise was slow. Yup. The speedy hare, she soared over many miles like a rocket ship, but the tortoise just smiled. I 'cause I'm the man. Wait, I thought you were a tortoise. I get so confused. Keep your focus, don't hold back. You can do it just like that. Huff and puff and keep your pace. Slow and steady wins the race. Not. I think I'll stop and rest just for a spell, 'cause I'm way ahead of that tortoise shell. I deserve a break. The hare was snoring loud and very, very deep. When the tortoise passed, she was fast asleep. Almost there I am, on the last lap now. If I should ever win, I'll take the biggest bow. How do tortoises bow? Keep your focus, don't hold back. You can do it just like that. Huff and puff and keep your pace. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady. Well, the tortoise did it. He crossed the finish line, and everybody cheered. You did oh so fine. What happened? How did you win? Well, I just kept my steady pace. Yup. The hare was really sad that she lost the race. Oh, come on, cheer up. I'll make a silly face. See? Like this. It's just a silly contest. Well, I guess you're right. It's friendship that really counts. Keep your focus, don't hold back. You can do it just like that. Huff and puff and keep your pace. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Congratulations, buddy.
I won!
Huh? What did you win?
What are my choices?